Hello everyone. Today I have taken a question of data structure which is missing number in an array. In this question, we are given a set of an input elements, and in that input elements we have to find the missing element. So here we are given a range of 1 to 5 in the first question, as you can see here, and we have to find the missing element in this array element from this array. So what we can do is here we'll think of a brute force solution. What we can do here, so what we the first thing which will come into our mind will be we need to iterate through all the elements in the array. So how we can do it, if we'll get if we want to search for one, we'll iterate through the array elements and we'll search for the 1. Again for 2 also we'll do the same thing, for 3 also same thing. Again once we'll search for the fourth one, we won't get the fourth element, so we'll return and we'll say that this is our missing element. But once when you'll come and you'll see this, you'll see there are so many iterations and the time complexity will become more, and we don't want to complex our algorithm that much. So will solve it using simple mathematics. What we can do here will be we'll use the summation for all these elements and we'll find the value for that. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So what's the n value? 5 into 6 divided by 2. This will become 15. Now we got the sum. Now once you'll check what you can do after getting the sum, one by one we'll minus all these values which is present in our array element. So it will become minus 1, 50 will become 14, and then 14 will be the one which we have to subtract from 2, it will become 12, and then minus 3 it will become 9, 9 minus 5 it will become 4. So it will return the missing element which is 4. So like this way also we can do this question. But in this question the XOR operation or the bit manipulation is the most efficient one to be done, because it will take the time complexity of big O of n. So it's better to use XOR operation in this question. So what is an XOR operation? It is nothing but a suppose 0 if XORed with 1, it's like AND plus OR. So 0 when XOR with 0 will give the same element, like 0. 0 XOR with 1, it will give 1. So this is the XOR operation we'll do. So what we can see here, if there is same element we'll get 0 as our answer. But if we'll do 4 XOR 0, we'll get it as 4. And here one more thing is there, that XOR is commutative. If you write A XOR B, then it will be equal to B XOR A. So this is a commutative law and we can use it here. If it is 0 XOR 4 also, it doesn't give any negative thing in this question. So what we can do is, hope so you are clear with XOR. So what we can do here is we'll take all the array elements like 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll XOR this 1 2 3 4 5 with the data array elements which is given to us in the question. So 1 2 3 5. Once it's XOR, this is the XOR operation symbol which is used in computer engineering or in coding, whatever you can say. So 1 XOR with 1 will give you 0, 2 XOR with 2 will again give you 0, 3 XOR with 0, sorry, 3 XOR with 3 will again give you 0. Similarly 5 also, all these elements. And then 0 XOR with 4 will give you 4 as the result, and 4 is the minimum missing element. So I'll show you more with the code which I'm going to write. So first step what we can do is, let's see, I'll take all the data elements from 1 to 5 and I'll traverse for all these elements. So int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n I plus plus. So sorry, first we need to initialize our XOR which will be initialized to 0, and then we'll do the XOR of all these 1 2 3 4 5. Better it's if I'll write first and then I'll explain you. Then again for loop of, let's check if this code runs and gives us the correct answer. So here we'll get our answer as 4. The expected output was also 4, and here we are getting 4 as our output. What we are doing is here, first we'll traverse the array from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5 we are traversing all the elements. So the XOR of 1, the XOR we have already initialized as 0, so 0 XOR 1 will become 1. So 1 is retained as our answer from this step. So again we'll check with 1. So here we are traversing from these array elements. So our first element is 1. 1 when XORed with 1 will give us the answer as 0. So we can say that this is not the missing element because we are getting the 0 as the answer. So likewise this only we have to do the XOR for all the elements, and then we have to return the XOR. If any element, the answer of the XOR will be the number of missing element. If no missing element is present, it will return 0. So this is all about the missing number in an array. Thank you. Like the video if you learned something new.